Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video we're going to be going over how to earn passive income during a bear market, the best ways in my opinion. Now none of this is financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't take any of this as financial advice because that's not what it is. It's my own opinion and what I will personally be doing in DeFi. I'm just documenting my own journey within crypto. And before we get into the video, please do smash a like on the video, subscribe down below if you are new. I appreciate all the support. And also drop a comment down below of what you think of these protocols. Are you in them? Are you going to be in them during a bear market if we were to hit one? And yeah, what is your opinion on things? But guys, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So in terms of this, now there's going to be a mixture of very safe plays, which we're going to be going over first, and then some of the riskier plays, which we'll go over secondly. Now, for the first play, what I would take a look at doing is looking at some of the CeFi projects such as Nexo and Celsius. Now, I do actually have a link down below to Celsius. So if you're looking to get some free money, there's a link down below to Celsius where if you sign up using that link and that code, then you pretty much get yourself $50 for free when signing up and deposit some Bitcoin. Also, before we get any further into the video, again, I'm not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And also, there's my premium group, right? If you guys are interested, I'll be releasing a lot more sort of things that are good for the bear market as and when they do pop up. But in terms of the bear market, then there's a couple of things. Now, first of all, I'd look at these sort of CeFi safer sort of projects where you can earn 12-15%, well 10-12% a year. So if we come down here in terms of Nexo, you can kind of go to see the earn tab and you can sort of see the difference of the earnings here. Now you can earn in the kind, you can earn in the actual in kind, right? So you can earn on your GBP, you can earn on your Tether, or you can earn in the Nexo token and get a couple of extra percent there. So it's up to you what you want to do there if you did want to do it. Now, of course, they've got AVAX on here as well, earning about 15% right now for a limited time. You've got Luna on here as well, which is pretty cool. You've got Dogecoin on here as well. And then also you've got Celsius. So these two, and you've got a couple of those others as well, BlockFi and whatnot. So there we go. And by the way, before we get any further, none of this is paid promotions, right? This is just my opinion and what I'd be looking at doing potentially. So the next thing is in terms of safe kind of farms here during the bear market and a stable yield is of course Anchor Protocol, right? We can't ignore this. This thing's paying out 20% annually consistently on stable coins, right? You deposit your UST. Now, a lot of people have asked me where you can get USD from. Well, you can get it from KuCoin. You can bridge some tokens over to the Terra network and go ahead and then convert that to UST, or you can go on to KuCoin and directly buy UST and then withdraw it from KuCoin directly to your Terra network wallet. So it's pretty simple to do that. So yeah, during a bear market, I think a lot of people are going to come over to Anchor, keeping this APY pretty consistent. In my opinion, I think that's probably what a lot of people are going to do. But yeah, let me know down below if you're in Anchor or you're looking to jump over there. Now, the next one is going to be Defi Finance. Now, if you don't know, Defi do have a couple of stablecoin farms. So let's go ahead and connect to my MetaMask wallet. So if you've got money on AVAX or BSC, let's see if I haven't actually had a look if we've got any BSC stable farms here. But you can actually check by looking at stables and then providing liquidity for stable LPs. But in terms of stables, we can see then that you've got some of these stablecoin farms here earning a good percentage. If we have a look down here, you've got Frax USD, which is earning about 6.91%. But in terms of stablecoins, there's a lot of stablecoin farms on Defi Finance which you can go deposit in. So if you've got some stablecoins on Binance Smart Chain, if you've got some stables on MIM, if you've got any stables on AVAX, if you've got some MIM, for example, then you can go ahead and deposit that on Defi, right, and put it on one of these protocols. Let's see down here. So you've got a USD farm you've got USD farm here, which is paying 23.8% right now. You've got this NUSD, DAI, USDC, and USDT, 12% a year. MIM, USDC, USDT, 13.8, USDC, 5%, USDT, 6, MIM there at 11%. So you can see all of these different sort of protocols that are paying out a good amount on through Defi Finance. And the good thing about this is that it's auto compounding. Same with Anchor, is that it auto compounds for you. So yes, you're earning it a flat 19%. but because it's stacking up, you know, you're actually earning more than that, right? So next thing, let's take a look at Curve, because Curve is a pretty interesting one. Because for example, you've got, and look, this is if you want to earn some, of course you're earning yield on your UST, on your MIM, on the 3 pool here, but you're also getting rewards. And now the rewards are good because, for example, if you're in a bear market and let's say you've got some MIM in here, well, you're earning, you know, these rewards in terms of Curve tokens as well. Now, if Curve is in a bear market, then you're gonna, and Curve token is down, then you're gonna get more Curve tokens, right, than if it was up. So when the bull market comes back around, those Curve tokens, those 4.6 to 11.5% of Curve tokens that you'd be earning would be worth more than in the future, of course, as it goes back up. So you've got this, you know, and there's a bunch of other pools. You've got the UST farm here. You've got a 3 pool. You've got MIM to USD to MIM to UST here as well. And Curve, this is on Ethereum, but it's also on a bunch of others. So it's on AVAX. You can go to avax.curve.fi. I believe it's on Polygon as well. And a couple of other networks. You can see again they've got this 3 pool here, which is all sort of let's go and switch this to AVAX, and we can see the sort of rewards here. You've got the 3 pool here, which is all stable coins. You've got this attribute pool, which is a bit more risky because there's ETH and Bitcoin in there, but you get quite a lot of rewards there in terms of that. And you've got the Aave pool here, which is all sort of stable coins. You deposit DAI, USDC, and USDT, and you earn 8.9% in AVAX, and you earn 0.5% in Curve there. So there you go. I actually do earn, I own some Curve tokens, just holding them, because I do like Curve and I like this platform. So there's the next one. Okay, so those are really the more sort of safer pools in my opinion. Now again, crypto is the riskiest asset class you can ever put your money in, and so none of these are safe, right? But in comparison to some of these things that we're going to talk about now, these are sort of the safest bet in my opinion. But again, always do your own research on these things, and I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But going over then, I did cover Liquid Driver a couple of days ago. Now Liquid Driver is on Phantom, and if you go over to Liquid, or sorry, let's just take a look on the farms first. So you've got the yield hunting zone. Now this is where you can deposit Liquid and Phantom, and you can earn 119% APR right now. Now if we take a look at CoinGecko, you can kind of see that LD, let's just search for Liquid. We can see that, you know, it's currently down 15% on the day because the rest of the market's down. So could it be a good time to get in? Well, potentially, you know, that's up to you guys to decide. So Liquid Driver is one of them, and then of course you have to deposit Phantom as well. So jumping into these things in a bear market, there's 2 ways it can go. Yes, you get a better entry price because you'll be paying less for the tokens during a bear sort of cycle, or so that's a positive side of things. But a negative side is that the total value locked will start to go down as well, and the APR may start to drop. So there's just something you have to be wary about. Now, of course, you've also got these Phantom to USDT pool here, paying 123% APY, Spirit to Phantom. You've also got some stablecoin farms down here, I do believe. It's paired to Phantom and whatnot. So there's a DAI to Phantom pool here paying 133%. So, you know, there's all these different pools here, or you can jump in here if you want and unlock this up for 120% and earn your APR and these different sort of tokens. So you've got 23% in Liquid Driver, you've got 1.7 in Phantom, you've got 19% in Boo, you've got 76% in Lin Spirit, and you've got 1.8 in Spell token. So yeah, Liquid Driver, another pretty, I did cover this project. If you guys want to go and check out a video on my channel, I did actually go cover this project the other day. Where is it? Down here somewhere. Let's have a look. Where was it? I can't find it. Somewhere around here, right? I did cover it, so you guys can go and check that out on my channel somewhere. Here it is, 6 days ago. Nearly a week ago I covered that. So that's that one, right? And the final thing that I would look at then is some of these, you know, yield farming is, well, I'm not going to say, you know, they're both extremely risky, but DAOs are the newest thing in crypto. You've got the tomb forks to look into in these DAOs. Now, yes, Wonderland time is going to be very interesting during a bear market. You guys know my position on Wonderland. I am involved on it, and I do daily updates on it with my journey in there. But, you know, Wonderland is one of those where I think that this APY is going to drop massively during a bear market if we were to hit one. I don't think that we're there yet. I know that the whole crypto market is down, but I personally think that we still have some legs to room. I think this will go down to maybe mid to high 30s, and then start to go back up, and the rest of the market will obviously move accordingly with that. But that's my opinion on the crypto market right now. So during a bear market, a lot of this is going to be even riskier than what it is right now. So just be very careful with that. So those are some of my picks for a bear market. How those percentages look, or like I would put the majority of things in the safer protocol, so you can bank your 19.43% APY and then maybe spread some out in risk if you're if you have a risk tolerance and if you want that risk, right? Because look, let's face it, crypto is extremely risky. DeFi is the riskiest, and it could all go to zero tomorrow. So I would potentially look at banking some of that profit in and get as much for my yield as possible. Get as much yield for my deposit as possible, and then spread a tiny amount of my portfolio, like a few percentage, around some of the riskier things during the bear market. Because when we come out to a bull market, if those things are still around after the bear market, then you'd be up. So potentially, so that's what I would probably look at doing. But again, you guys have to do your own research on that. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below what you think of my bear market picks. Interested to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Do drop a like, subscribe down below if you are new, turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. And also, guys, if you're interested in my premium Discord server, then take a look in the description down below. But guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and I'll see you on my next one. Peace.